Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Michael Pito from Vistas Cloud. The fastest way to create multiple purchase orders in one click is to use the bulk purchase order creation app. It can be prepared in Excel by copying the template from Business Central. Fill out the necessary fields and copy them back to Business Central before clicking the Create Order button. This tool is also helpful to set up a new Business Central production environment. To create a bulk purchase order, search for VISTAS Purchase Header in the Tell Me window and select the related link. Select Edit List Action and copy the purchase header line by pressing Ctrl-C from your keyboard and paste it to Excel by pressing Ctrl-V. Open VISTAS Purchase Lines and copy the purchase lines and paste it into Excel. Enter the fields in the purchase header and line. Copy the purchase header table and paste it to Business Central Vistas Purchase Header. Copy the purchase line table and paste it to Business Central Vistas Purchase Lines. In the Vistas Purchase Headers, select Create Orders Action button. A bulk purchase order has been created.